Hello friends, in this video we will learn and write how to make sentences. First line, car, we travel by car. Second line, lotus, lotus is a beautiful flower. Third line, park, I go to park with my brother. Fourth line, doctor, doctor treat sick people. Fifth line, Ruchi, Ruchi is my best friend. Sixth line, ice cream, I love to eat ice cream. Seventh line, games, I play games with my friends. Eighth line, chair, this is a chair. Ninth line, sister, my sister name is Sima. 10th line, Atul, Atul is very clever boy. Thanks for watching.